So it seemed like it's a reoccurring trend for me. Why the hell me keep getting these briefcase with combinations that I don't know? I feel like I'm going to lose it. I feel like I'm just going to run out with this, slap somebody in the head with it for opening it. But up on my last nerve. Yo, boy, come here.
Yo, what's with you, brother? Yo, wait.
Brutality.
So that worked flawlessly, and I am less stressed. So Poco, continue sending these sealed suitcases. It does help. Anyhow, thank you guys for tuning in. This is another episode of Brand New Everyday, brought to you by Technicational. And my name is Peyton Wilmot. Today we'll be taking a look at the Poco F4. Now this is a different kind of beast. This is not a budget phone. I repeat, it's not a budget phone, but the price tag on this, let's just say the specs doesn't match the price tag. The price tag is pretty low for what you're getting. So we're going to actually unbox this, see what you get inside, and give you a full rundown of the specifications, which you might not expect or believe. So let's get started. Okay, so let's see what we get inside the Poco F4 box. Now, lifting up this, you will see the phone, but we're not really a goddess right now. Let's see what you get inside this thing on the top. So, you have a SIM ejection tool. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And you have lots and lots of booklets. Booklets galore. And then, hold on. This is a USB Type-C headphone jack dongle. Okay. So this is because the Poco F4 does not have a headphone jack. Hold on. Before we start on a riot, you do realize that other companies, Samsung, take out the headphone jacks and don't give you a dongle, so you have the option to use wired headsets. No? Okay. Moving on. We have a screen protector. What the hell? If you put anything else in this box, me have to just go marry the Poco F4, brother. Wow. Okay. Moving on. It has, oh, come on. It comes with a protective case. Now, this is what value was back in the days. You're not going to see these things now for most phones. This I do appreciate, because you get the phone, you really not gonna have the time to go out and go look for your case for it. So you get a little protection before you have more money to buy a proper case. Kudos, Poco, for doing this. So this is the Poco F4, but we're going to dig a little bit deeper inside the box. So we're going to put this one side before we actually look at it. And lo and behold, this is the second time I'm unboxing a Poco phone, and there is a charger in the box. So it's safe to say there's still manufacturers that are doing this, but boy, the charger is huge. This is a 67 watt power brick. This is supposedly able to charge the phone from 0 to 100 in 38-40 minutes. You also get a USB Type-C cable, a very thick one, to pass all that wattage through. There's nothing else in the box, so I guess it's time to actually see what the phone is made of. So let's get right into it. The Poco F4, what is it made of? What does this beast of a phone has to offer, and why isn't it actually priced as a beast of a phone? But before we head into that, I have to say, the balance of this phone, yeah, it just feels really good in the hand no matter how you hold it. I have to say that. Anyhow, The back of the phone has a triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel wide camera, and you also get a 2 megapixel macro camera. I really don't understand these macro cameras, but that's there. At the bottom of the device, you have a USB Type-C port to charge the phone. You get a loudspeaker, a mic. At the top of the device, you also get a loudspeaker again, and you also get a IR blaster because you can use this phone as a remote, and you have a noise cancellation mic. On the side of the phone, the left side, there is nothing, and on the right side you have your power button, which doubles as your fingerprint sensor, and you actually have the volume up and down rocker. Now the front of the Poco F4 houses a 20 megapixel selfie camera, and I have to say the punch hole for this is definitely the smallest I have ever seen on any device. You also get 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. There's also a configuration for 8 and 12 for 128 or 256 gigs of storage. So it depends on which one you want. The one I have in front of me is the 6 gig 128 gigs of storage. So yeah, that's roughly it for the unboxing of the Poco F4. For a very in-depth review, which is coming soon, please subscribe, smash the like button, and comment because it really does help the channel. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you guys for telling your friends about the channel. And if you're not subscribed, please do, because we do content like this all the time. So until next time, folks, peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when there's sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.